Copying the category leader feels safe. It's usually why challengers stay invisible. When you model your messaging on the $300 million incumbent, you inherit a playbook built for a company that has already won. They sell certainty, trusted by thousands, the industry standard. But you can't. A company doing $3 million in revenue that says trusted by thousands sounds like everyone else and proves nothing. A founder showed me a homepage that could have belonged to any of their four largest competitors. Same enterprise language, same safe promises, same stock photography. We threw it out and rebuilt around the one thing the incumbents couldn't say, a sharp, slightly uncomfortable point of view about where the market was heading. Demo requests from their actual ICP went up inside a month. Not because the design was better, but because for the first time the message sounded like a company worth betting on early. Large companies sell certainty. Startups sell insight. Your advantage isn't scale. It's that you can see something the incumbent is too big to say out loud. Copy them, and you erase the only edge you have. At the Artesian Network, we help founders find the insight the category leader can't claim. Fractional CMO leadership and a senior team, all operational in week 1. Start with a 2-week GTM health check at artesiannetwork.com. We'll pressure test your positioning against the incumbents and find the story only you can tell. Start with a 2-week GTM health check at artesiannetwork.com. We'll pressure test your positioning against the incumbents and find the story only you can tell.